It is 3 in the morning and your phone is glowing. A coin you have never heard of is up 400% in 4 hours. Your feed is screaming about it. Somebody you follow just posted a screenshot of a win bigger than your rent. And that little voice in your head is saying, get in before it is too late. Stop. Look at me. You are not going to ape. You are going to run the reads, 15 minutes, 5 reads, 1 verdict. That is the whole discipline, and tonight you learn it on a live one. This coin, we will call it GLOWDOG, is our target. Here is the first thing the wasteland wants you to remember before your thumb touches anything. Most new coins on the frontier do not survive. The graveyard is bigger than the bazaar. 15 minutes on the clock. Move. Why 15 minutes? Because the trap is built out of urgency. Every scam in the wasteland runs on the same fuel, the feeling that thinking costs money, so we flip it. The clock is not pressure, the clock is armor. Anything that cannot survive 15 minutes of reading was never an opportunity. It was bait, and the stakes are not small. The ledgers say scammers pulled billions out of pockets exactly like yours, and the overwhelming share of it started with a moment just like this one, a glowing phone, a rising chart, a decision made in the dark. So we read 5 reads in order every time, no exceptions, no matter how good the chart looks. The chart is the last thing we look at. The chart is the marketing. Everything else is the math. Read 1, the contract. Every coin is a machine and the contract is the machine's blueprint. You do not need to read code, you need to check the levers. Can the maker mint more tokens whenever they want? That is a printing press pointed at your bag. Can they pause trading? Then your exit has a lock on it and somebody else holds the key. Can they change the tax on selling? Then the toll booth can go from 1% to 99% while you sleep. Free scanners will read these levers for you in seconds, paste the contract address, read the flags. GLOWDOG's scan comes back mixed. Trading tax is changeable and the owner wallet still holds the keys. That is not automatically a death sentence. Fresh coins often launch this way, but it is a lever, and a lever means trust, and trust in the wasteland is a cost you count. Market. Read 1 flag, 4 reads left. Read 2, the exits. A coin is only worth what you can leave with, and leaving takes liquidity, the pool of money sitting on the other side of your sell button. 2 questions. How deep is the pool? If the pool is shallow, your own sell moves the price against you, and a real exit for real size is a fantasy. And second, is the pool locked? Unlocked liquidity means whoever put it there can take it back out. That is the classic rug. The floor is rented and the landlord leaves at midnight. GLOWDOG's pool is real but thin, and the lock covers only part of it, expiring in 30 days. Translation: the exit door exists, it is narrow, and in a month somebody can carry it away. Market. 2 reads down, 2 flags. Read 3, the holders. Open the ledger and look at who owns this thing, because concentration is destiny. If 10 wallets hold most of the supply, you are not early, you are exit liquidity with a timestamp. Watch for the patterns. Wallets that all bought in the same minute the coin launched. That is a squad, not a community. A creator wallet quietly bleeding tokens into fresh addresses. That is distribution wearing a disguise. And dozens of tiny wallets doing perfectly rhythmic buys. Those are bots painting a crowd. On GLOWDOG, the top wallets hold a heavy share of everything, and a cluster of them was funded from one parent address an hour before launch. One hand, many gloves. When that hand decides the show is over, the chart you are admiring becomes a cliff. Mark it hard. 3 reads, 3 flags. The chart still looks incredible, by the way. That is the point. Halfway checkpoint. 3 reads down, 2 to go, and the chart is still climbing. Good, let it climb. If nobody ever handed you a checklist instead of a hype thread, that is what this channel is for. Subscribe and the next 3 AM coin finds you armed instead of hungry. The wasteland does not reward the fastest thumb. It rewards the coldest read. Clock check. 2 reads left. Eyes up. Move. Read 4, the volume. That beautiful trading volume, the number your feed keeps quoting as proof that this is real. Volume can be manufactured. It is called wash trading. The same money selling to itself back and forth, wallet, to paint activity where none exists. Studies of the frontier venues have put the manufactured share of reported volume shockingly high on the loosest ones. In some corners, most of the tape is fake. So you check texture, not size. Real volume is messy, odd amounts, irregular timing, hundreds of different wallets. Fake volume is clean, round numbers, metronome timing, the same addresses cycling. GLOWDOG's tape has a heartbeat like a drum machine. Regular pulses, matching sizes, a small cast of wallets doing all the dancing. The crowd is painted. Mark it. 4 reeds, 4 flags, 1 reed left, and it is the human one. Reed 5, the story. Every coin sells a story, and the story has authors. Who are they? A team with names, history, and something to lose is one kind of bet. Anonymous accounts created 3 weeks ago with stock photo faces is a different kind. Check the age of the accounts pushing it. Check whether the big voices shilling it disclose that they are paid. Check whether the project's answers to hard questions are answers or emojis. And check the promise itself. If the pitch is that you will get rich because other people will buy after you, that is not a technology. That is a line for the greater fool, and the wasteland always runs out of fools at the worst possible moment. GLOWDOG's story, a website older than the token by 2 days, a team of cartoon avatars, and a channel where every hard question gets deleted. The story has no authors, only salesmen. Market, 5 reeds, 5 flags. Verdict time, and here is the part that separates survivors from the graveyard. The verdict was never going to be a guarantee. Reeds do not give you certainty. Nothing gives you certainty. Reeds give you odds, and odds are enough. 5 flags on 5 reeds is not an argument, it is a wall of them. So the verdict on GLOWDOG is one word: walk. Close the tab, and feel that. The chart is still going up as you close it. It might go up for another day. Somebody will screenshot a win on this thing tomorrow, and your feed will make sure you see it. Let them have it. You are not here to catch every pump. You are here to still be standing when the music stops, because on coins that read like this one, the music always stops. The trade you did not take is the quietest win in the wasteland. Nobody screenshots it. It pays anyway. Now the honest part. You just spent 15 minutes doing what a machine does in seconds. That manual run, every read of it, is the exact discipline the forge was built to hold for you. Paste a contract into Steel Check at the forge free, and it runs 6 safety reads and hands you 1 plain verdict. The link is below. The reads are yours either way. The forge just runs them at machine speed. We provide the intel. You fight the war. If tonight kept 1 bag out of the graveyard, pay it forward. Subscribe, hit like so the algorithm arms the next survivor, and fall in at the Defi Warlords Telegram, the home base chat, and the announcements channel, both below. The wasteland trades all night. Read first. Move out.